I have 3 tips. Before doing that conversation, that difficult conversation, think. 3 things in order. Number 1, is it coming from a place of love?
Okay.
It's difficult to say, but your intentions are good.
Okay.
Okay, if that's a check that. Number 2, timing. So don't talk to your stressed spouse at the heat of the moment.
Right,
Like
right, right.
right now, nagwawala siya about something. Diba? So time it when she's calm and you're calm.
Right,
Both
right.
of you.
Right.
Right? And then number 3 is just try to prepare your message and the delivery and the tone.
Okay.
Choose your words. Make sure your tone is calm. So all those 3, check,
Right, right,
do it.
right.